Now can you do concealer? Truthfully, no one's taught you. Most people have never really sat down and had someone teach them step by step how to apply their makeup, especially apply makeup for mature skin. If you learned how to do it, you learned how to do it years and years ago, and that method needs to change a little bit as we get more texture, creasing, creping, wrinkles. Famous saying, less is more. It is always easier to apply more than to remove, especially when it comes to concealer and you already have your base on. So yes, I apply base before concealer. I do not take the foundation or tint or base all the way up under my eyes. I stop around here because I don't want a bunch of layers under my eyes that can cause creasing and just end up emphasizing fine lines and wrinkles. We want to keep it really thin and sheer under the eyes. I'm going to use House Labs. This is light medium peach. I love the peachy undertone, especially if you pull blue under your eyes. So it kind of works as a concealer and color corrector all in one. Pull out your wand and remove any excess. You do not want too much product on the applicator. That's the mistake I see so many people make. Next, apply one dot to your inner corner. One dot right in that lower sort of hollow, and then one lifting swoop on the edge. Next, you want to let that concealer sit for half a second. You want it to dry down and get some grippiness to it. If you start to blend it when it's too wet, you sort of just take most of it off. It's hard to get it into the skin. Remember, we want this looking like part of your skin, not something sitting on top of your skin. This is the Hourglass concealer brush. What we are going to do is tap. I am not rubbing. I am tapping the concealer in. I'm actually going across my lid, so I'm creating a nice sort of primer base, and I just continue tapping. Once I get to here, I'm tapping in an upward motion. I'm sort of filling in this whole area along my temple. So I've taken away the majority of the darkness and discoloration under my eye, but everything still looks really natural and pretty, and there's hardly any product under there, so you're not going to get creasing and caking. Let's go in and do this side. Done. Even on mature skin, I 100% believe in setting the under eyes. I think it makes such a big difference in just the smoothness, that airbrush look, and the longevity of the concealer. I think the Hourglass is the absolute best for this. Take the sponge that comes with it and roll it under your eye, just like that. Gently roll, bring it down into the nose so that, again, you're not leaving a line of powder and then nothing else. You want to kind of blend that in. Now look at the difference with the powder versus no powder. And there you have it. Beautifully concealed under eyes. Not too much product. You're not going to get caking and creasing. It's going to last all day and it just brightens everything up. Let me know what you want me to do next.